have like a mom probably in her 50s traveling with her son. She reared back and slapped really hard at the grandma.
Stop, please!
Don't make it.
Please!
Don't make.
Which law governs a crime committed thousands of feet above the ground? At what point does touching a family member become a state felony? And what constitutional protections exist before the first handcuff is applied?
Hey.
How are you?
So what's going on?
So we have like a mom probably in her 50s traveling with her son who's probably 6 or 7 and a grandma. The mom has acted kind of crazy, shaking the seat in front of her. She reared back and slapped really hard at the grandma. And a passenger saw it, and she went to the back left, but it was locked and closed, someone was in it. She was kicking it. They have been calm. I did have another crew member sit close so she can monitor. During taxi and landing, she's been okay. But there is an elderly person involved and a child, so I can't.
You said they're all traveling together? Where did this happen? Was it right after takeoff?
No, this happened like before landing recently.
So were you in the state of Florida, you would say? Or
Yeah, I mean, it happened within the last hour.
Within the last hour? Okay. I guess would you be able to point them out to us as they come off?
Well, if they're 22 Delta, do you want me to just go get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. How's everybody doing? All right, we're gonna go talk when we get to the top. Ma'am, over here. Ma'am, come over here. 'Cause me and you need to talk. So what's going on? Is that your mom? Is this your mother?
Yeah.
So what happened on the airplane?
About what?
Did anything happen on the flight between you and your mother?
Nothing. She just... I realized she didn't take a medication.
She didn't take her medication?
So I was very upset because I can't retrieve them. So I'm very difficult to find them.
To find her medication?
I was very upset because you didn't tell me that you didn't take them.
Okay, because we got reports that you may have slapped her.
Yeah, I was I'm sorry, but I was terribly upset.
Did you slap her in the face?
Them, and I
So you
don't
got
know
you.
way of recovering them.
So you got upset because she forgot her medications. Do you live in Florida or do you live in California? Do you live here in Florida or California?
Yeah. So just left them home. And
So you live in California?
figure out why, yeah.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Figure out how I can get them back.
Okay, we'll figure it. Can I just see your ID?
Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened on the plane that
I'm
obviously
okay.
got... Okay, I understand that, but obviously police got called.
Please,
Yes. Police officer. Yes.
she had too much surgery.
Too much surgery.
Surgery had. He is little nervous.
Okay.
And I have surgery eyes. I put drop. I finished my drop yesterday. She told me, okay, you not talk me, no more drop. Okay. That is
Okay.
normal.
Did anything happen on the plane? Physically?
Yeah.
Something
It's
physically?
okay.
But what happened? I understand you're saying it's okay. Because if you don't tell me, other people are going to tell me. And I want to hear from you what you have to tell me.
Sorry, my English is terrible.
Espanol? Or
No,
what do you speak?
No. I speak Bulgarian.
Bulgarian? Okay.
Boyanie, Lababut.
Did she slap you? She slap you?
No, that is first time. That's
Well,
small. That is small.
okay, so she did. Okay.
No, that's
All right. Do you have ID?
I have ID.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi, you a witness?
Yeah.
Do you mind walking up here with me? I'm just gonna.
No, of course, man. I'll talk to you. Yeah.
All right.
I didn't realize they were calling for me.
It's all good. Yeah, we just wanted an independent person.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, what'd you see, bud?
So basically, I mean, she was acting a bit erratic the whole flight.
Okay.
You know, I guess the suspect, or I don't know her name. Right?
In what way? Drugs or just
I wouldn't say
nervous?
drugs, but she looked like, I guess, nervous and was very, like, erratic, you know? Okay. So when I saw what occurred, basically, she was, like, kicking the chair and then, like, kind of in front of her, got up and then just slapped her on the left cheek with the right hand. Just, like,
Slapped who?
The older lady over there.
Sitting next to her?
Sitting next to her, yeah.
Were they having words?
They were having words, like, the whole flight. That's part of what I was trying to say in the beginning, yeah.
Okay. So they were back and forth with each other. Yeah. And who is it sitting where?
Lady who slapped was sitting in the aisle. Lady who got slapped, older lady, was in the middle.
Okay.
Kid that I didn't know about on the right side.
So basically, she's being irritated the whole flight.
Yeah, more or less.
About an hour ago, she stands up or she's sitting down when she does it?
So I'll just basically reenact it. Sitting there, starts like shaking the chair in front of her. You could ask the guy, I guess, I don't know, maybe too late, but the guy in front of her was annoyed with her too. But starts shaking it, kicks the chair, gets up, stands there, and then just bam, slaps across the face while they're having words.
One time?
One time.
But
big,
open hand?
Big one time.
Big.
But then I saw that and I went, boop, and then the guy came pretty quickly. But she was still standing there when that guy came.
Can you do me a favor and stand up? Just put your hands behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest. Stop pulling me. Control 146. Let me show us 1015.
You have your grandson.
You got your grandson with you.
Look at your grandson.
Hey,
go get your grandson. You have
deal with him.
No, please!
Don't make it.
Please!
Don't make it
Take
worse.
me!
No.
Take me!
No.
Take me!
Stop.
Take me! No! No, go!
Stop it.
Please!
You're gonna make it worse.
Please.
You're gonna make it worse.
Please!
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
No, I no go home.
Stop it.
I sleep here.
Stop. You're gonna make it so much worse.
Sleep here. I sleep here.
Your grandson.
I sleep here. I sleep here.
Stop.
Miranda. Miranda. I sleep here. No. No.
Come on, buddy.
I sleep here.
Where are they supposed to go? They can't go anywhere.
I guess they'll go to the hotel.
No, they can't get there.
Is there anybody else here? Any other family here or friends?
No. They can't go anywhere. You want them to stay there at the airport. Why are you listening? What's so much that I do? I said I apologize.
It doesn't matter. You might
You're in the state of Florida. You cannot put your hands. It's just one time. It's not a lot of times.
It's a battery on a domestic situation. You can't touch family members. You can't even touch anybody else. If they don't want to be touched like that, you can't do it. Watch your step. Look.
I can't put myself in place.
You want to go? You want to sit? You want to go backwards? Did you double lock these? Yeah. Okay. Watch your head. You're gonna want to turn to the back, and you're gonna want to lowly sit down. Okay. Okay.
And concurrent jurisdiction applies to criminal acts committed within state airspace. 18 U.S.C. Section 32 governs aircraft offenses, but does not preempt state battery law. An offense aboard a domestic flight within Florida airspace falls under Florida criminal prosecution. Under United States v. Drayton, 2002, police contact in public transit is a consensual encounter, not a Fourth Amendment seizure. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires advisement only upon custodial interrogation. Voluntary statements made before arrest during a consensual encounter are admissible without Miranda warnings. under the totality of circumstances standard in Illinois v. Gates, 1983, probable cause exists when available facts and circumstances warrant a reasonable person to believe an offense was committed. Convergence of 4 independent corroborating accounts satisfies this threshold without physical evidence or confession. Florida Statute Section 784.03 defines battery as any actual and intentional touching or striking of another person against their will. Intent to cause injury is not a required element. Intentional physical contact without consent, regardless of force applied, satisfies the statute. Florida Statute Section 784.08a reclassifies battery upon a person 65 years of age or older from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony when committed by a person 18 or older. The victim's age is a statutory element that changes the offense classification and available penalties entirely. A third-degree felony under Florida Statute Section 775.082 carries a maximum of 5 years state imprisonment. Fines may reach $5,000 under Section 775.083. For non-citizens, a conviction may trigger mandatory removal proceedings under 8 U.S.C. Section 1227. Lesson: the Fifth Amendment, right against self-incrimination, activates from the moment of police contact, not from arrest. No Miranda warning is required before this right may be exercised. Any voluntary statement made at any stage of the encounter may be admitted as evidence against the speaker. Lesson: Florida Statute Section 843.02 criminalizes resisting a law enforcement officer without violence. Physical non-compliance during a lawful arrest independently satisfies the elements of this offense. Resistance does not create a defense. It creates a separate charge with independent sentencing exposure. One question this case leaves unresolved when a non-English speaker is questioned without a certified interpreter are the resulting statements constitutionally and admissibly obtained. Federal circuit courts remain divided on this issue. The answer may determine the outcome of this entire prosecution.